Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials Guru. Hope you all are fine. And guys, I know it's been a long time that I have not uploaded any video on YouTube. And guys, the reason is that I was busy in my college work. Other than that, I also got kind of disconnected from YouTube. And that's why I did not wish to create any more videos. But now I again got up and I again thought that I should create some videos so that it could be quite useful to you. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you the most important thing for college students, that is managing PDF files. Because I know that if your college is going on online mode, so you must be aware about PDF files. So these PDF files, like how we can manage them, how we can split them, how we can merge them, and other operations. So it is really important for a college person. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you each and everything, like how these things work. So before getting started, let us roll the intro first. So guys, for managing the PDF files, you need to download one software known as PDFSam Basic. And to download this software, you can simply go to internet and you can simply search for PDFSam Basic. And after this, you have to simply wait for a while till then you get the results. I'm really sorry because my internet is not going too fast today. So this is the site pdfsam.org. So this is the software and it is completely free because it's an open source software. So you can simply download it from by clicking on that .executable file, and I hope that you can download it and then you can install it, because these are really very basic things. So after downloading and installing, you will get an icon like this, PDFSam Basic. So let us explore this software by managing certain files, like how we can merge and split all those stuff. So I'll open this. So you can see this PDFSam Basic, and here you can see this is the interface of this software, and it is asking for the latest version. So let me just cross it. Yeah, so this is the interface, and here you can see the premium features. So suppose you want to use any of these features, then you have to pay a amount of around rupees 3300 to get the premium subscription of this PDFSam. But let me tell you guys, it is not required because you don't need to use these features. You just simply need to use these only. Okay, so suppose if you want to delete a page, you want to crop, then you can do that thing online by simply searching for online PDF delete pages. So you will get lot of websites, so please don't bother about it. So now talking about these features, so you will get features like split, merge, extract, rotate, and much more. So the very basic and the very useful features that we are going to use most of the time are split, merge, and extract. So let me tell you by splitting a PDF file. So simply click on this split button, and then here you will get lot of options. So here first of all you have to simply select the PDF file. So let me click on this, and then on the desktop I have a PDF file known as sample. I simply click on this and I click on open button. So here your PDF file got selected. The other way is you can simply drag and drop also. Suppose you have cleared this, and then you go to the desktop and you simply drag it and just simply drop it here. So by this way also you can simply choose a PDF file. The next thing is split settings. So now you got an option that whether you want to split the PDF file by after every page. The other thing is, like, you can specify the page number, like after the particular page you want to split the PDF file. And the next is you want to split by every n pages. Suppose you have typed 3 here, so after every 3 pages your PDF file will split. So let me simply click on this split after every page, because this PDF file contains only 2 pages. Let me show you the file first. So this is the PDF file, a simple PDF file. So this is the page 1 and this is the page 2, simple PDF file 2. Okay, so fine. So let us go to the software. So here I have clicked on this split after every page. You can also choose even pages, odd pages. So just keep it every page for now. Then you have to give the output settings, like where do you want to save the PDF file. So let it be same. Then click on this run button. Before that you will see that the PDF file generated will have the prefix as PDFSam. So it is just to make a differentiate. So it will be easy for you to differentiate, like this is the the generated file and this is the original file. So that's why we will get this PDFSam as the prefix. You can change it of course, but let it keep it. So simply click on this run button, and after that it will ask like if there is a file over there already with the same name, then what you want to do, you want to overwrite, you want to rename, you want to skip. So I'll simply click on this overwrite because I know that there is no file with the same name. It every time it asks for this thing. Okay, so simply click on this overwrite button. So when the process will complete, so at that time you will hear a beep sound, and then simply go to the desktop and you can see there are two PDF files, one underscore PDFSam, then two underscore. So let me just open both of these. Yeah, so this is the first PDF file, so it contains only one page, and this is the second. So hope you got an idea of how we can simply split. Similarly, you can merge. So by here also you will get all these options, like this is the merge option. When you click on this, so here you have to simply put all your PDF files, and then you have to put them in a sequence, like in which sequence you want to merge them, and then you have to simply choose these options and simply click on this run button. So I'm not gonna tell you how you can do that stuff because it is really very basic. The main motive was just to tell you about this software, that is PDFSam, and a simple way to split the files. So similarly you can do merge, you can extract the pages and all those stuff. So hope you will do them because it is really very basic thing. So that is all about in this video, and if you really liked it, then please do share it with your friends, and a like would be appreciated. So that's all. Thank you everyone.